Y'all looking at Bakersfield, California. I'm gonna let y'all see over this side. Yeah. Stay at the Daily Current River. You might see it look cool on this side. I'm on the bridge crossing. See why these locks is on here? That's the reason why these locks on here. How many locks? See all these locks? It means something, y'all. I know what it means. Stay out that water. It's that Current River, man. It's there. I'm on the river walk. You know what I'm saying? Taking y'all a little walk through there. You know what I'm saying? Bakersfield, California. Current River. It's a part of the deadliest river in around the world, though. You know what I'm saying? It's a deadly river, Current River. No, everybody they come from everywhere trying to, you know what I'm saying? Because they think they can beat it. This thing be taking bodies. It already took bodies this year. I'm trying to tell you. I don't even know. It like took two ladies last year. I mean, two ladies this month. And this ain't even the port, man. It's deep. You can stay up off it. I'm crossing this little bridge, man. River walking, man. Get my exercise in. Look, you can take you at rapid water somewhere. If you turn over here, look, in the cut, it take you over here, man. Drop you off in that little flow right there. It's terrible. Take y'all over first, man. Just letting y'all see the other side of it. Good morning. It's the commerce side right here. You know, I get deadly. Diving off the bridge. Drop down that. Stay out of there. Y'all see it? Y'all know who it is. Taking a walk with Sneaky AD as I take my walk, my daily walk. You know what I'm saying? Keep your heart up. Stay out them rivers. And you'll stay alive. You know what I'm saying? It's direct in Bakersfield, California. River walk, the other end of the Current River, though. This is out that Cal State area. Real unique. Y'all check it out after I leave. Hello. Got it.